Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir T7. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with a dedicated app. In the beginning, on your PC, enter Microsoft Store and download GameSir Nexus. Make sure that your controller is connected with the PC. You can also download this app from the GameSir website. Then install the app and open it. Your controller will be automatically recognized. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.